Hello, this is the data collection for the 1411 lab acid-base titration and some chemical reactions in your lab book on page 51. This is just for part A for the titration. I've already added some acid, and I'll show you the initial volume and the initial volume and final volume of the acid addition. And so I'm just going to show you basically what the titration looks like, and you'll have the data. So if you turn to the data pages on page 54, again, I'm going to give you the final initial acid reading so that we know exactly how much acid we started out with. And actually the molarity, the base is there, of the molarity of the acid is, I will write that on the board as well, or on the, actually it's 0.0512 molar sulfuric, 0.0512 molar sulfuric. I'll give you these, and now let me show you the titration. So, for the burette reading for titration number 1, the initial volume burette reading. Now you read a burette going down. So the burette, let me see if I can focus on this. The burette itself, you see the 0 reading. It's having a hard time to... So the initial burette reading, hopefully you can see it. And now I will carry out the titration. I've added for trial 1, I've already added the, I added some water. And I'm going to add the phenolphthalein to it. Let me add the phenolphthalein to it. 1, 2, 3. Swirl that up for trial 1. And just so I got a 0.25 initial reading for the base. And let's see how much base we have to add to neutralize the acid. So I'm going to turn and swirl, turn and swirl. You can see the pink. You want a pink that stays though. And so we're getting close. I practiced this ahead of time, so I kind of know a little bit where it's going, the end point is going to be. Getting very close here. Okay. Oh, that's almost there. Okay, that's a light pink, so we're going to go with that reading. And let me show you what that reading is. Again, you're going to read it down, starting here. So you read the volume down, so it's 23. 5, 6, 7, 8, almost 9, 23.9. It looks like the bottom of the bubble's right on it, 23.90. 23.90. So that's what a titration looks like. Let me write that down, 23.90. And trial 2, I'm going to do the same thing. One, 2, 3. And we can pretty much use 23.90 is our initial volume for our trial 2. And we'll go ahead and close. And it's a very, oop, didn't quite stay long enough, but I'm probably within a drop of it. Ooh, and ooh, that got stuck. So it's a little bit darker pink than I'd like, but we will take it as a reading. Let me show you. Looks like 46 point, not quite on the 47. Oh, come on, camera. Okay, you can see the final reading. So that is part A of the lab, and then I will carry out part B later. Have fun, do chemistry.